Introduction to Automated Forms.
Want to collect information easily and automate your workflow? Discover how you can build and automate online forms without any coding experience. In this guide, we'll walk through creating forms with Typeform and connecting them to other tools using Zapier, helping you save time and keep your data organized automatically.
What is Typeform?
Typeform is an easy-to-use tool for making interactive online forms. With its simple interface, you can design forms, surveys, and quizzes that look great and are easy for people to fill out. No coding is needed. Just drag, drop, and customize the questions you want to ask.
What is Zapier?
Zapier lets you connect Typeform with other apps to automate tasks. For example, you can automatically send responses from your forms to Google Sheets, email, or project management platforms. Zapier works by creating zaps, simple workflows that trigger actions in one app based on an event in another.
Step by step, building your first Typeform.
Start by signing up for a free Typeform account. Click Create Form, then choose a template or start from scratch. Add your questions, customize the design, and preview your form. When you're satisfied, publish it and share the link with your audience to start collecting responses.
Automating your form with Zapier.
To automate, sign up for Zapier and create a new zap. Set Typeform as the trigger, selecting the event New Entry. Choose your Typeform account and form. Then choose an action, like adding data to a Google Sheet. Zapier will guide you through the setup so your workflow runs automatically whenever someone submits your form.
Tips and best practices.
Keep your forms simple and user-friendly for best results. Test your form in automation before sharing. Regularly check your connected apps to make sure data is flowing as expected. Review Zapier's task history for troubleshooting, and explore more integrations to save even more time as your needs grow.